The way we discovered that microwaves can cook food is pretty interesting. Back in the 1940s, a guy named Percy Spencer was working on some radar equipment, and he had a chocolate bar in his pocket. He noticed it was melting when he got close to the equipment. This got him curious, so he did more tests. He pointed microwaves at popcorn, and it popped. And he even tried it with eggs, which, you guessed it, exploded. Scientists don't all agree on exactly how microwaves cook food, but they do agree on one important point. Microwaves use a lot less energy than regular ovens. So, thanks to Percy's accidental discovery, we have a fast and energy-saving way to cook our food today.